So my walkway up to the door had this gradually increasing crack from a root from my climbing tree. So I've been here 17 years, and initially it was just a really small crack, and as the years went by, it just got deeper and deeper. So I would finally, I had an estimate from a concrete company come out, and it was so expensive that I just put rocks in front of the giant crack and let that be so that people would have a visual not to trip over it. It was really efficient, and he gave me so much information. I loved how patient he was with all the questions that I had. He gave me 3 different estimates to choose from, so I didn't feel the pressure of just having this one estimate and going for it. And I loved the amount of time that he explained what you guys would be doing for me. You guys are the best communicators. So not only was the office really good at communicating and setting up the appointment, Judd was an amazing communicator, and both Justin and Shane, they kind of came out. They were on time. They explained everything that they were going to try to do. They set my expectations in case the slab cracked. And then once it was all done, I kind of came out and they were excited about the outcome. So I was super happy. It exceeded my expectations. I really expected the slab to crack, and it didn't. And I could tell that they were proud of their work. I tell people about my experiences: great communication, the explanation of what's going to be done, setting expectations, and then the work was it was better than I expected.